Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited to share with you my review on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022. The sleek and slim tablets boasts a premium build quality and a vibrant 10.4-inch display with a resolution of 2000 x 1200 pixels. The Exynos 9611 processor and 4 GB of RAM ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, video streaming, and note taking. The Tab S6 Lite also offers able storage options with a choice of 64 or 128 GB and the ability to extend via microSD cards. Plus, its impressive battery life can last up to 12 hours on a single charge. One of the standout features of this tablet is that it includes the S Pen, making it perfect for note-taking and light drawing. The S Pen also has a convenient slot for storage. The camera on the Tab S6 Lite is not the most advanced, but it's perfect for basic photography and video calls. Running on Android 10, the software is user-friendly and similar to what you will find on a Samsung smartphone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 is an excellent option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly tablet with great features like S Pen, impressive battery life, and solid performance. If you are in the market for a new tablet, definitely give this one a close look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.